This episode will discuss a lot going on in the markets. We'll let you know where Bitcoin is headed. You will then find the targets appealing. Chain links will be our topic of discussion. Without further ado, settle back, relax, and let's get started. We're going to do a little XRP and a little Ripple to go along with it. We're also going to look at what's happening with good old Ethereum, which is getting close to an all-time high. Bitcoin 68.69 Ethereum is now down almost 1% from the previous day, closing at 3,910, while USDT and USDC are both up 2.62% from the previous day, closing at 999 in XRP. Yes, my friend. 52 cents it is down 1.56% as far as I know. However, as you are aware, in the last 30 days we're up 3% and in green, which is not too bad. A market cap for all cryptocurrencies is currently available. There are 2,066 billion linkages. Let's examine them. Right now, it's down to $17, give or take 22%, but it appears like Chainlink is about to undergo a significant change that could take us up into the $30 to $40 level. I'll discuss that later, but first, let's get started on the topic and give you an update. We didn't make a call in March. And we were relaxed in a way. We correctly struck our targets. We had set a goal for Bitcoin, but Ethereum is on the way. Very, very soon, and we want to push things forward. Bitcoin 77,000, where are this is really easy, this is where we are heading. Extremely basic, but I really wanted to memento and had to open my tiny notepad since I copied and pasted what follows will be written and we want to duplicate this right now. Wish to post a boom, after which we'll take our new thread, that is the end of it. Bitcoin is expected to witness significant consolidation in the future. The whales are building up in the 66,000 to 668,000 range. The next major move will be when they push above 74KK, which would target the low mid 80,000 level. That's it. Basic, it's accurate. That is the situation. That's the course of events. Let's get rid of that right here. Verify that we can fit after the view. Now that we have it there, we can tell that Bitcoin is likely to make a very strong upward move. How do you know that we're talking about a break above 74 and that this move is underway? There will be a Bitcoin rip above 74 and get into the mid to low $80,000 bracket. Folks, as we have been telling you for a while, this is Bitcoin's year because its value is approaching $100,000. It will assist in lifting someone else with it, and once Bitcoin reaches its insanely high peak, which may even occur this year or early next year, and hits 130, 170, or even 200K, we will witness the money return and rotate down into all the coins and other cryptocurrencies, as we have all desired. This is why I put this out there. We really are back. Little 17.8 million in 53 minutes as Caitlyn Jenner. I'm not sure what terms are suitable these days for Caitlyn. I'll leave a token out for you, though. Recognize that CBS and SBS have returned, and they are stepping it up. Hey, look at that. XRP Shop. There was a time when my retail store was operational. I was pressed for time to continue doing it, so we're back. Our returning little one straightforward gentle release. We're going to bring back those large old tumblers that look like Stanley cups, along with the three goods we now have. They are not Stanley at all. They are not Stanley cups, but they have a Stanley Cup-like appearance. The XRP logo will be inscribed on them. They are currently being produced. However, the amazing thing about the business was that, despite our previous difficulties, we could only ship it to the US and not overseas. But guess what? Worldwide shipping is free. We're doing that because it's so easy. No, but you can make payments with XRP. Credit card payments are possible. Even at Ethereum BNB Solana, you can profit. To obtain 2 of these, I also placed a ton of different cryptos there. Are you kidding me? Whiskey glasses with engravings at 65 XRP? Is 65 XRP really that much? Proceed with your XRP now. Well, it's probably because you find 40 appealing. These tiny pillowcase coverings are filled with stuffing and placed inside other items. All in all, this stuff is supplied to you quite quickly, and the engraved stuff takes a little while longer based on how far along it is in the queue. If we see a 150 to 300% increase in the price target, I've been discussing chain links since $10, then instead, it was about 20 or 30 cents when I first started using the crypto chain connection. I invested all of my money in XRP, and it's only 50 cents. The chain link is currently at $17.30, but this might increase in value by 1.5 to 3 times. It might be more, but keep in mind my numbers. I have set very low and extremely conservative targets since I know this thing will tear. It really is that easy. It will tear. Being a holder makes me joyful. The money is why I'm here. The bull market cycle, if you, too, intend to make a lot of money during this bull market cycle, then so will I. We have access to cryptocurrency. Punk releases this, and I believe the entire we can observe that the cryptocurrency market cap is at least $9.3 trillion in the current cycle, and I'm not opposing it. That's his minimum goal, so I agree. I assumed we would reach 7 trillion. 7 up to end. This might occur with a parabolic blow up top if we witness a 9 trillion. The market for cryptocurrencies that you'll inform me that XRP won't have 1 trillion out of all that, assuming XRP owns 1 trillion of the 9 trillion, would place it at roughly $20 XRP. Which a ton of cryptocurrency pundits have talked about recently. This time, $20 XRP happened. Hear me out, all I want to see is XRP smash past its all-time highs. I will shout, kick, and dance if it breaks the all-time high. I'm going to be sprinting across the block. That's all I want, and if we go over that, forget it. Keep in mind that if we break up, I'm throwing the biggest party, to which everyone is invited. It's going to be an amazing blast. Where is it? I'm not sure when it will go down, but it will. We will resolve that. After we reach $10. XRP, we may discuss Jack. Hey, Ripple has always wanted to establish XRP as a global reserve currency. This information originated from xrpl.l.org in 2017, and you couldn't make it up. We can even extract. You can see this on the screen. Proceed. This is a quote from the XRP ledger. Concerning Ripple, the payment methods, and the extent of their capabilities, and it states that 2017 is already well underway. Space prepared at work, each concentrated on enhancing the RCL's functionality and introducing intriguing new features. Stability and caliber of the open source code base rippled above all they have stated. We're staying more dedicated than ever to the straightforward objective of making XRP the global reserve currency. This has been expressed several times. There is a cause, as you will repeatedly hear. If you wish to create a digital asset that you are working with, there is a reason they are collaborating with the government and banks. And constructing a global reserve currency, you have to get your foot in the door, and that's precisely what they've been doing. You must collaborate with the bank, all banks, governments, and remitters worldwide. And Brad Garlinghouse, what say you? After saying you would be happy to see an XRP ETF from Bloomberg Crypto, what did we do? As you can see, the charter predicted that the Solana ETF and XRP would be released in the upcoming year. I doubt they will visit this year, so why not pay attention? It's summertime, and many of these government employees are on vacation. They use it as a mini summer vacation. When they return, you'll be aware of Q3 and Q4. As they get back into the swing of things, elections will soon take place. Thanksgiving and Christmas are tossed in, along with the decision to take everything away from them. That, and since it's a new year, I doubt we'll see it till the first part of the following year. You would welcome an XRP ETF just because of the way that works, like the system and the cycle function, but I could be wrong. Listen to Brad. Then, of course, we would be happy to have it, and I believe that there are several exchange-traded funds, ETFs, centered around various tokens. In fact, I believe that some ETFs may even be centered around bundles, and I also believe that we ought to diversify that risk even more. Considering what you know, I predict that many Ethereum filings will be released. Given the recent developments, I even believe that something significant may appear. You see, Ripple was recently added by Grayscale to one of their trusts. It is listed on a public exchange, so seeing Ethereum or Ripple wouldn't surprise me. Find ETFs on the market? An XRP could be interesting. ETF, you have Ether out there, I know that. Can you respond that I can't and that you don't want me to regarding XRP? I perform well. Listen, BlackRock was right there. They are approaching. They discussed the ETF. For Ethereum, notice what occurred recently. Observe the charts that emerge about Solana. I've already mentioned Solana's upcoming ETF. I possess Solana, which has a maximum value of $2,000. This is yet another bull market cycle. The available gem has already burst. People, I'm delighted for you to pay attention to the pinned tweet. That's where we're heading, and it's collecting nicely. I don't think we're going to witness the bottom of Bitcoin, which was approximately 60K, returning. In my opinion, the XRP bottom is also around 48 cents.